everybody, Smilsy back again. I'm back with a hobby basketball break. I got one box of 2014-15 Panini Donruss basketball. Each hobby box comes with 2 hits, 24 packs of 8 cards each, so you get tons of cards, and you get over 60 inserts or parallels per box. So quite a bit. We're usually not worth too much, but I've hit some nice thing. I hit a Grant Hill auto out of this, so pretty good value for $33. I picked this up for, so pretty cheap. Basketball break, you get a lot of serial number cards, like I said, inserts. So we'll see if we can get one nice autograph out of here. That'd be cool. Let's grab all the packs. The new Donruss just came out, so pretty cool. Opening up some of the older stuff. All right, here we go. Pack 1. All right, we'll go through the base kind of quick since we have so much to go through. We got Burks, Bill, Dang, Brewer. We got a Jimmy Butler press proof, number to 199. He's nobody's favorite right now. And then a Elite Series Paul Pierce, and one rookie, Mitch McGrady. Josh Smith, Green, Hibbert. And we got a production line insert, Anthony Davis. And DeMarcus Cousins, Elite Series. And Court Kings, Vukovic. So they got the canvas feel to those inserts. That was a 3 insert pack there. No rookies. We got Decoy in here. We got Lillard, Rondo, Gasol, Love, I can't, Swirl-Rama or something like that they call that, Nene, Decoy, and Elite Ricky Rubio, and Ennis rookie card. That's only a second rookie, I believe. Bradley, Lowry, Knight, Wade. We got a die cut Paul Pierce. Ooh, numbered 18 out of 66 on the Wizards. Kind of nice looking die cut there. One all-time greats, Paul Pierce. Second serial number card, and a John Stockton Elite Series. A Brown rated rookie. Good. Howard, Dirk, Gilchrist, production line, James Harden. Oops. Let's insert Oscar Robinson Elite Series, and Glenn Rice Scoring Kings insert. Jason Terry, Lynn, Lopez, Holford, Prince. Oh, is this a hit? Shaquille O'Neal. Oh, nice. Gamers. Pinstripe jersey. Very cool. Magic. Awesome. I don't know if I have a nice Shaq. I don't think I have one in a Orlando Magic uniform, so I might be keeping this for the PC. Very cool. Nice surprise hit there. Bill Russell and Carmelo Anthony. Maybe it's not 2 auto, maybe it's the auto and a jersey. I can't remember. It's been a while since I opened up 14-15, but that's a good start there. Drummond, Favors, Oladipo, J. Mayo, Chandler Parsons Elite Series, and Scoring Kings David Thompson. Shaq is back. Plumlee, Redick, Teague, Bledsoe, Evans. Oh, another die cut. Russ Smith autograph, number to 25. Wow, 8 out of 25. Sticker auto, die cut. All right. I say I did pretty well with the hit so far. Nice low numbered. Very cool. I got Scottie Pippen Elite Series and Spencer Dinwiddie rookie card. Parsons, Nash, Thompson, Gasol, Anthony early Swolorama. I got Jerry Rest and Jabari Parker rookie. Not bad. Let's put these on top of here. I don't know if there's like a thick pack again. Maybe another decoy. Yep. Ellis, Njomi, Gay, Sanders, Lawson. Ooh, it's another Swolorama. I think that's my third Swolorama. Wow, Ding, Elite Series, and Walt Bellamy, Scoring Kings. Some old school names in there. Don't see too much of Walt Bellamy. David Lee, Pope, Gortat, Production Line, Ty Lawson, Al Horford Elite, and Kevin Durant, Court Kings. A lot of packs. Harris, Jordan Monroe, Kyrie, and a John Henson. Defensive rebounds, number to 326, 61 and 326. That's third serial number parallel. Joe Johnson and Payne rookie card. Yeah, I thought you got a lot more rookies, but I haven't got too many rookies really. It's all inserts. Jones, Millsap, Matthews, Chris Bosh, Chandler. Elite Dominators. First one of these, numbered to 999. Blake Griffin, playing really well this year. A lot of interest in his cards. Starting to heat up. Gordon Hayward, Elite Series, and Andrew Wiggins, rated rookie. Rosen, Malik, Wall, McCollum, Schrumpert, Rodney Hood, Sorama, rated rookie. Carmelo Anthony, Elite Series, and Ennis, rated rookie. Now I'm getting rookies everywhere. David West, Diao, Hill. Oh, got a LeBron James press proof purple, number to 199. Very cool. Probably some of this product's pretty good because you can get some of the big star serial number cards. Not worth a ton, but nice to have. Chris Bosh and Scoring Kings Oscar Robinson. Roberts, Plumlee, Giannis, Steve Blake, Production Long, John Wall, Anthony Davis Elite Series, and Gordon Hayward, Court Kings. Another 3 insert pack. Martin, Thomas, Otto Porter, Solarama, Jrue Holiday, and Rodney Hood, the rookies. Leonard, James Harden, Iguodala Elite Series, and Eric Green rated rookie. Steven Adams, Freed, Kevin Durant, Production Line, Carmelo Anthony, David West Elite Series, and Anthony Davis Court Kings. Seems like I got 3 Anthony Davis inserts. Lopez, Kobe, Collinson, Green, rated rookie numbered to 199. Sakis, 67 purple press proof. Dr. J and Clyde Drexel, Scoring Kings. Dragic, Bennett, Noah Production Line, Karl Malone Elite Series, and Paul Pierce, Court Kings. Holiday, Thompson, Curry. I think that's my first Curry card. Bass Fry. You got a Jordan Hill, number to 183. 183 blocks. Oops, decoys fail. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar and Noah Vonleh, rated rookie. All right, 2 more packs. Chris Paul, Jimmy Butler, Patterson. Whoa, look at that auto. Jason Thompson using the big Sharpie. Looks like. Numbered at 125 Elite. It's kind of cool. Both autos are lower numbered. Patrick Ewing and Russ Smith, rated rookie. All right, last pack. Noel Cole, Kevin Durant, Swolrama, not bad. Zach Randolph and Mitch Ritzman. All right, let me grab things together here and do a quick recap. All right, here we go. We got, of course, 1 Elite Series in each pack, so we got 24, some old school and new players in that, nothing too special. You got 6 production line. Nice James Harden. I do like the Scoring Kings and the Court King. They have the canvas fill to them. Again, some older players, so you get 6 each of that. Court Kings 6 each. So those are the inserts. So basically, they just split up. Basically, just 4 different inserts. Rookie cards ended up with 12, including a couple nice ones there. Nothing too big. Swirloramas, I think I had 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6, including that nice Kevin Durant. And Hood, rated rookie. Early rated rookie. Serial number cards. Got this nice Paul Pierce die cut. LeBron James. And Blake Griffin. And then, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 serial number cards out of the box. Pretty happy with that. Those 3 big players there. And the hits. Got Thompson, number to 125 auto. Russ Smith, die cut, number to 25. And the one that's going to stay in my PC here, Shaq, Gamers jersey. So fun break, $33. If pretty fun break to do. You get a lot of cool cards for $33. So that's it for this hobby break of 2014-15 Donruss basketball, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.